In this video, I'll show you how to add your location on Instagram so people can easily see it. First, open your Instagram app and tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on Edit Profile, and then select Switch to Professional Account. Tap Continue for all the steps, and then choose any category that you like. Tap Done. Next, from the two options, select Business. Then tap Next and choose Skip. Once you've converted your personal account to a professional one, tap on Edit Profile again. Scroll down and tap on Contact Options. Here, you'll see the option to add your business address. Tap on it, and then enter your street address, town or city, and postal code. Now, exit and go to the Profile Display options. Enable the Display Contact Info option to make sure your location shows on your profile. Finally, you will be able to see the location details you just added right under your bio section. Thank you for watching. If you liked this content, please like and follow for more helpful tutorials.